All right, this is the last outing in the boat before it goes back. The 21 Caymas CX21. It's been awesome. 21-foot boat. It's been great, but about to go out. Last time on Guntersville in it before we have to turn it in for the year. We've had it for 2 years. It's been great. I'm excited to get out there. The fish are biting. We're doing something cool and unique today. Like I said, we just built this shop. We're finishing upstairs out. And a while back, I posted this rod for sale. And this guy named Pancho commented on it and said, hey, can I come buy that? Turns out he's one of the construction workers that has helped build my garage. I said, let's go fishing. So I'm going to take him fishing tonight. He's up there. They're actually working on finishing the loft in the garage right now. So he's never been on a bass boat before. We're excited to get out there. What's up, Pancho?
Hey, what's up?
How you doing?
Doing alright, how about you?
Doing good. Been working on the drywall.
Yeah.
It's looking good.
Try to get it done.
Looking good, man. Appreciate it. You excited?
Yeah, I am.
Heck yeah,
I have
it's
my
gonna
horse
be
out
fun.
to fishing.
We're gonna go out there,
yeah,
get some bass. Yeah, that's gonna be good.
So excited.
Well, we got wires hanging down. This is gonna be a little loft, a little bathroom up here. It's gonna be sweet. But we're about to head to the lake. As soon as he finishes up here, we're gonna have some fun. So we'll see you on the water here in a little bit. Remember, if y'all are interested in a Lake Guntersville fishing report with specific information on a bi-weekly basis, I just started doing it. Lake Guntersville report by yours truly on fish tips. So go check it out. That's linked below. I also do like really in-depth tips if you're interested in very specific stuff that are a little more than that. But this is just a cheap monthly fee. Dial you in on the lake like we're going to do tonight. So we're going to go smash them. But you're seeing this video a month or two after I fished. So that weekly fishing report is live, up-to-date info, how to catch these fish. So go check that out. Let's go catch some. We just got out here. We're gonna throw on some grass humps. See if we can catch one. Yeah. Any of these, you just start off chucking this guy around. So on that, you just cast it, start reeling pretty fast. Second it hits the water. Okay. All right. I'm gonna throw out a little cricket. And then I'm gonna just move us up and we'll just fish off either side. It's fine. A little slower, about half that. Tiny bit slower. Yeah. Probably a little slower than that. Okay. When we crank later, we'll go a little faster. See, there's grass on the bottom. You want to like keep it right above the grass. If you feel it stop vibrating, you feel it vibrating?
Yeah.
If it stops, yank the grass off.
Okay.
All right. There's so much grass out here. You just got to cover a lot of water to get on them. On live scope, you can kind of see some bait down in between the grass. It's a good sign. Oh, shoot. Right there. Cast there if you can. That's so far. I'm gonna hit it. I'm gonna hit it. you see them busting, let me know. You got one? Nice. Look at them busting out there. Oh, dude, they're busting everywhere. Let's go. Pancho's hooked up with number 1. Let's go, bro.
Oh shit, I think it's grass.
You get off?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
A little bit.
Oh, you got a little one. Heck yeah. Dude, nice. Baby. Your first bass in a boat. You gotta get a picture of that. I'm hooked on my boat over here like a dingus. You want a picture?
Yeah.
I'll text it to you. That's funny. Giant. Hey, good job. Good job, Pancho.
First one in the boat.
That's right. That's awesome. Heck yeah. Baby. Oh my gosh. They're going nuts up there. Look at that. Oh, get him, dude. Another one, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, I got hit. I missed him. Oh, got him. We're doubled up.
I got a big one.
You got grass? You got fish in there?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I got you beat. I got you beat. Look at that. Let's go. Oh man, he ate that thing. All right, folks. Busting them. These little blade baits right here. This is Strike King. Little single blade. My first one of the day. Bigger than Pancho's 3. He's already caught 3. I was trying to throw a topwater and a chatterbait, and I said, I gotta put that down. We gotta get a big one. Look at them. They're everywhere, dude. I don't know where to go. They're busting. Oh, I missed it. Go ahead. I don't think it matters what direction we cast. It's crazy. As far as you can. And if you keep your pull tip up, you'll keep it up above that grass a little better. You got one? Or did you hit grass? Yo, oh, we're doubled up. You got a big one, bro? Yeah? Oh, get it. Don't break off on him now. That's only, it's 12-pound test line. So it'll break a little easier than this one. I'll get the net if it's a good one. I got a baby.
Yeah,
oh! Come on. Get him, Pancho. Yeah. Boom, baby.
Heck yeah.
3-pounder. We're doubled up. That's not even right. Look at that. That's not fair.
Hey,
Look at the one I catch. Oh man, we're having a blast, folks. Schooling on little bait. Here, I got some pliers. Let me see where it's at. Hold that one up to the camera with me. We'll show them the difference. Oh, hang on. Wow. Look at that, guys. Just a baby. Dude, nice.
Yeah.
What's your biggest bass ever?
Probably like 3 pounds, that's it.
About like that?
Yeah.
You think that's it?
Nah, this one's bigger.
This one's bigger? This your
Yeah.
biggest one ever?
Yeah.
Let's weigh it. Let's weigh it. That's awesome, man. Congrats. Maybe. All right. Pancho's new PB. That's what I'm talking about. He is 264.
Hey.
So he's over 2.5, but he's not 3. Good job, man. Hey, whoa, 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 whoa. We'll get you a picture.
Oh, okay.
Heck yeah. Nice, dude. Same spot. I don't know who's on top. Don't matter. A little slower, a little slower. No way. Right there, huh?
I think I caught the same fish.
No. Dude, that's a good one too. Nice. Camera keeps shutting off back there. Nice one, man. He ate that thing. That's awesome. I got hit. Oh, we're doubled up.
Oh.
Dude, they're eating it. This is so fun. Wow, let's go. Look at that. Nice, man. You can throw them back. Yeah, good job. Woo! My third person camera quit. I don't know what it's doing, but we just doubled up again. Dude, how many have we caught? I lost count. Good job, man.
Yeah.
All right, we got the camera working. Pancho just lost a giant. There we go. Oh shoot, I just cast. They are. Oh, I missed one over there too. Got him. Got him. Boom. Another one. Well, this is already number 12, folks. That's crazy. That's some good grass right there. They're hanging in that. There's bait and shad in that. Little bait. That's why we're using these little baits. They're munching. Oh, big one?
Yeah.
No way. I want to see if there's another big one. Oh gosh, look at you go. That's a nice one. Missed him.
How does it go?
Heck yeah.
You got the net?
Yeah, I'll get the net. I was seeing if there's another big one with him.
It's not that big.
There's a nice one though. Boom. Yeah, good job. Heck yeah.
Yeah.
Boom. Good one, man. Hold that one up for him. Boom. Look at that one. Big and good job. Boom.
How are you trying to do?
Sounds good. Oh yeah. Dude, they love this bait. No. Thank you though. 14. Wow. There's so many fish in here. This is crazy. Huh? Yeah. It's not as good in ponds, but in the lake here in the fall, right now, that's the time of year they eat it, as you can see. There he is. Just further out there, yeah, way out there. Oh, there you go. Nice. Got him. Little baby. Got him. Straight out that way. Cut. You got him? Dude, I heard that drag. Nice. Oh yeah, that's a keeper. That's a good one. Gosh. Little guy. Another one. I heard that drag. Got him. 22?
22.
Here, let's show him to the cam. Once I get this lure out. Hang on. There we go. 22 right there. It's awesome. All right, guys, we are smoking them. Pancho is catching the big ones over here, and we're catching a bunch, just lights out. So we're gonna keep fishing here. We're not gonna show everything because we're just catching so many fish. They even came up busting. I threw topwater in there. They did not eat it. Hopefully we can get on some big ones here, and yeah, make it a great day, an even better day. Let's get them. I had to throw this lure, dude. You got another one? Gosh. Look at you go over there. Wait, right over here? Oh, okay. Left more. Oh, yeah. They're all over there. 28, 29. Jeez. That's awesome. 29. Dude, this little guy I caught is fat.
29.
Boom. That's awesome. Nice. Little guy. 30. Number 30 is the smallest one yet. Should put him in my fish tank. If it wasn't illegal to keep him, we'd put him in my fish tank, because I need to put one in there. That's the smallest one yet. Number 30. Just a baby.
Number
30. 30.
Giant.
Trianta.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah, that's so fun.
Yeah, it is. You like doing construction?
Yeah. I mean, working with John is fun.
Yeah. Yeah, he's a good one.
Yeah.
He's funny. Oh, I saw that pole. It went.
I think it's a grab.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You get it? Baby.
32?
3. We'll count it. 33. Unless you catch one. And you caught one. Nice. There you go. 34. That's a good one. Oh, smoking them. Oh, I got hit. Nice. Yeah. A little better.
$34?
34. Yes, sir. Got one. 35, boy. Doubled up again. About the same size.
Yeah.
Baby. Baby.
How you get it up so fast?
I'm taking thousands out, that's how. Can we get it? That one's weird. That one's in there real weird. You don't want to hook yourself. That's the main thing. Dude, nice. What was that, 36?
Yeah, 36.
Yeah.
Good one.
Yeah, good one. All right, we got to cast again since we caught one. Had an absolute blast out there fishing with Pancho, guys. Fun ending to the Caymas CX21. Y'all can buy that. Go search for it online through Boatworks. I'll put a link below if I know how you can find it. But yeah, been an amazing boat. Pancho and I had so much fun tonight. We ended up catching 65 fish. Just incredible. So much fun. His first time in a boat, he said this is the best day of my life. And I don't blame him. It was a blast. It was such a good day of fishing. So fun. Take somebody fishing. If you're able to go fishing, take somebody fishing. But before we get out of here today, I want to remind you, I have a Lake Guntersville fishing report available. It is bi-weekly, updated by me. If you're interested in that, go check it out. Fish tips down below. And I want to share a little something with you. What do you look at? What do you see? What you see is important. Example, when our babies are playing downstairs in their playroom, they are just fine. The second they see mom or dad, they start crying. When if they hadn't have seen us, they'd have been just fine playing. And what we see changes our mindset. It changes what we're thinking about. If I stare at these bucks on the wall long enough, I'm going to want to go hunting. Or if I stare at a pack of rage tails, I'm going to want to go throw one. What we see is important, guys. And we're supposed to set our mind on things above. Your eyes are powerful to influence you, to cause you to be pure or to sin with your eyes. Be careful what you look at. I want to share Hebrews 12:1-2. It says, "Therefore, since we are surrounded by such a great cloud of witnesses, let us throw off everything that hinders and the sin that so easily entangles, and let us run with perseverance the race marked out for us, fixing our eyes on Jesus, the pioneer and perfecter of our faith. For the joy set before him, he endured the cross, scorning its shame, and sat down at the right hand of the throne of God." Amen. Fix your eyes on Jesus today. It's the best path for you. It's the best thing to look at. You're going to stay pure doing that. So enjoy today. Had a blast out there. Fortunate to live here on Guntersville. Catch a ton of these fish. I love y'all. Remember, if you're drinking coffee, go support Wired to Fish Coffee. Pick you up some coffee. They give 25% of profits back to faith-based missions and clean water initiatives. So go check it out, y'all. All right, God bless. We'll catch you on the next video here at Fishing with Nordbye.